Good morning. It's Saturday. It's supposed to be pretty warm. It's been a week since we got snow or more, and I'm going to do snow. Pretty weird. I feel like it's an odd situation. It's a construction project, so there was really no rush because there was so much that the builders had backed off. So they asked me to go up and dig it out. It's a couple switchbacks. It's pretty high up. They definitely had 3 or 4 feet up there. So yeah, I am gonna go and dig it out, and then depending on condition of the driveway, it's a gravel driveway, try and grade out some of the ruts from construction traffic going up and down, and tighten the place up a bit. So a little bit of snow, a little bit of dirt, maybe. I think it's gonna have an amazing view. It's definitely gonna be pretty high up. So it should be sunny and warm, windy. Hopefully it's a great day. Why not, right? What are you guys doing? You doing anything fun this weekend? I mean, I'm working, that's not fun. Tomorrow, hanging out with fam. Yesterday we went to the Olympic and Paralympic Museum in Colorado Springs. Yo, super sick. My wife and daughter, we wanted to see a torch, and they're like, you know, protected, but it's one of 2 collections of all the Olympic torches in the world. There's 2 complete sets, and one of them is here in Colorado Springs. But somebody was like carrying, was it Rio? I think it was the Rio. Maybe not. Sorry, I'll have to look. But the guy was like, "What?" I was like, hey. So my wife and daughter, like, they couldn't hold it, but they got a picture with it, and it was pretty cool to be like that close to something that, you know, you don't get to see every day. It was a super cool museum, the Olympic and Paralympic Museum in Colorado Springs. Had a great day, spent a bunch of hours there, had a tour. It was super cool. But yeah, anyways, let's go move some snow and dirt. We'll see you guys in an hour and a half when I get there. It's a bit of a haul. We're going up. I'm at 6,500 feet here, or 68, and I'm going up to 10 something. So here we go. All right, we're up here. I gotta do the entry, and then we're working our way up and across. It goes pretty far up this mountain. A lot of snow melted, which is great. So snow hopefully won't be an issue. And then once we get the snow, I'm gonna try and shape this thing out a bit. We'll see. I don't know what it's gonna look like underneath, but we'll try and make it a nicer drive.
I've been working my way down, a bunch of passes up and down, trying to smooth this thing out. It's big rocks, so it's a little bit of a pain in the butt trying to work all the rocks down deeper so that they'll hold up the soil where the snow's melting and the rain will be running. I'm going to just do a pass going down so you can see what we got. So I've started on this corner, rebuilt a bunch of it. A little slimy mud. Draining, not great. Gotta redo this. Left side was blown out, so I took a lot of big rocks and put them down a foot or two and tried to cover it up a little bit. Still got to finish in here. There's still a lot left, but it's not going to be perfect. I just want to make it as nice as I can. That's a wrap. I'm gonna go give her a bath. I don't get her that dirty all that often, so need to go get it cleaning. That's it. I will be back on Monday. Pretty decent size. It's like 4 big stumps. But have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll see you Monday. I hear the weather's gonna suck, so might be working in the snow, but it's got to get done. Oh well. Later, guys. Thanks for watching again.